Hello guys, welcome to our second video of Google Ads. So let's cover the remaining parts of our interface. So in the previous video, we have talked about the search, reports, tools and settings, refresh, help, notification. Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about the options that are showing in the left side of your screen. For example, overview, recommendations, insights, campaigns, ad groups, ads and extensions, landing pages, keywords, audiences, content, setting, change history, then suggested terms, for example, like dynamic ad targets, ad schedule, location. Then let's click on show more and see what are the more options there. Dynamic ad targets, locations, ad schedule, devices, advanced bid adjustment, drafts, experiments, performance targets, campaign groups. Okay, so they are basically all they are basically the interrelated things then that once you'll run a campaign, each and everything will be very much clear to you. But still, we have to, as we have planned accordingly our videos, so that you must be completely known to the interface of Google Ads. So we will leave no stone unturned here. Okay, so let's start with the overview is the section here which gives you an overview of your ads account, that what presently is going in your ad account. Okay, second option, the recommendation option. When you will be having some active campaigns running in your ad account, for example, like we are running 3 to 4 campaigns for a week or any of the number, then Google Ads will give us some recommendation for improving our ad score. Now, what is ad score? Ad score is between 0 to 10, which Google allot our ad depending on the our copy, our ad, our ad conversion, each and everything how our ad is performing. So depending on how our ad is performing, Google Ads gives us a quality score of 0 to 10, um, which enhances our ad, which enhances our cost, which helps in uh, getting our cost to low, getting low cost for our Google Ads. Okay, so that helps in bidding. So it helps in ranking our ad much above less cost as comparison to the ad which have low quality score. Okay, so here Google Ad will give you the recommendation according to your ad campaign's performance or the data generated in your ad account. Next option is insights. Insights give you the data of your ad, of your interaction, cost, each and everything weekly to monthly. How accordingly, if you want to see, you can click here and you can just adjust for the weekly or monthly. It will give you an insight over how your Google Ad account is performing, how the campaigns running in your ad account is performing. Now another option is campaign. So now let's understand what is campaign. Campaign is the first thing which we have to understand for running our ads. There are three important things which you will be seeing again and again, and you have to understand these things clearly so that you can have a clean dashboard, you can have a clean Google Ad account, and easy to understand, easy to monitor, easy to make changes. So first one is campaign, second is ad group, third is ads. So let me show you something. So just take example of this. This is our first campaign. For example, we are running a campaign for brand awareness. So this is our campaign, brand awareness. This is our objective. For example, there are various things when we'll be running an ad campaign in our upcoming videos. You'll get to know much more. But still, for example, like there are objectives like goal for the ad campaigns like brand awareness, lead generation, website traffic. So let's assume our goal is brand awareness. So for the campaign one, we have our goal of brand awareness. So this is our campaign. Now now we have to allot a budget to our campaign. For example, like we have a budget of $1,000 for our campaign of brand awareness. So we'll allot a budget of $1,000 to the campaign. Now coming one step ahead, ad set. Now ad set are under campaigns. For example, like we have a campaign of brand awareness and we have our stores in two cities, Mumbai and Delhi. So we have created two ad set, one for Mumbai, one for Delhi. And we will target and we will categorize them accordingly to the keywords, to the location, to our objective, to our query. Okay, so now And under ads, ad set come ads. For example, there is an campaign have there is an campaign have ad set, and ad set have ads. So so we can understand it like, okay, we have a campaign of brand awareness. So we have it campaign, and goal are is our brand awareness. Then we will create ad set, for example, one for Mumbai, one for Delhi, depending accordingly. You can, for example, you can take an example of electronics also. There is an electronic shop. The campaign is our website traffic. Now under campaign we can create an ad set for cameras. We can create ad set for mobile phones. So under ad set of like cameras and mobile phones, we can create ads like, for example, for cameras like Sony camera, Nikon, Canon, and under mobile phone we can create like for the Apple, Samsung, and much more. So in this way we have to categorize our objectives so that it's easy to target, it's easy to monitor, because accordingly we have to allot keywords. For example, let's take a look over this PDF. So in this campaign, our objective is brand awareness. We have two ad set. One we are targeting for Mumbai, one we are targeting for Delhi. Now we have under ad set, we have ads like, first ad is video promotion, second is brand poster, third is testimonials. So in this ad set, we'll be creating three ads, and we'll be creating three ads. For example, one for video promotion. Okay, this will be not here. So we'll be creating ads for like two ads under Mumbai. One ad is for dental health checkups. One ad is for best dental clinics in Mumbai. And in another ad set, we'll be creating ads like best dental clinic in Mumbai and best dental services in Mumbai or best dentist in Mumbai. Okay, so we'll separate these two ads by location, and we'll allot keywords accordingly. So when we have to make the changes, we can easily see how our Mumbai ad is performing, how our Delhi ad is performing. Similarly, if we go to our electronics example, like this is an campaign, this is an ad set for mobile phones, this is an ad set for cameras. So under mobile phone, we'll be having companies like Apple, Samsung, or any other company. And under camera section, we'll be having like Sony, Canon, Nikon, and for each and every cam for each ad set for each ads we'll be assigning keywords, so we can monitor how our ad is performing for mobile phones, how our ad is performing for cameras. Coming back to our interface, you will get much more insights when we'll be creating a campaign in the upcoming videos, so you will easily understand things. Then another option in the ads is extension. Extensions are like when we create an ad, the options for like call out, another another site links. For example, when you create an ad, let's assume that, oh, let's search for mobile phones. We are not getting any ad right now. Let's search for example, Sony TV. Example, let's search for something like example like search for SEO tools. Okay, so these are site extensions. This is our ad, this is our main ad, and these are site extensions. For example, Moz Pro, Link Explorer, Keyword Explorer, free 30 days trial, or sometimes you will see, for example, an call extension, website extension. So these are ad extensions next to our ads. Okay, so okay, ad extension is also clear. Coming back, then coming to the next option, these are landing pages. These are the landing pages we'll use for our ads. Mostly they are used for dynamic ads, so they'll be shown here. This is for the keyword section. As we have already talked, like this is for the keyword. We can add for the negative. We can add for the search keywords, for the negative keywords, for the terms, for auction insights, for adding our audiences. This is our option for the content, that how our topics, what are the topics, what are the placement, what are the keywords, what we have to exclude, where our ads will be showing. We can exclude our ads from showing on particular sites, or some of the sites. For example, like these are the sites where our ads were being shown, as they were are the search partners of Google Ads. Sorry, Google. They are Google search partners. So we can exclude from it here. Coming to the next option, it's the setting option. Setting option have three options: campaign settings, account settings, and change history. So campaign setting, we can adjust our campaign, we can rename our campaign, we can allot budget, we can active or pause campaign. So these are the options for the campaigns. Another option is account setting. In account setting, you will be having the options for making changes in your ad account. This is our history. Whatever changes you have made to your ad account, or any of your respective user have made to your ad account, it will be shown here that what the changes have been made at what time. This is the dynamic ad target. Ad target is mostly used for the dynamic ad target is like is on automatic. The Google automatically shows your ad to the people who have interest in your site. For example, he'll ask for a website link. He'll create an audience accordingly on the basis of interest on their searches, and he'll show them your ad. Definitely, you have complete power to make further changes for the ad or for the target, but still it's mostly used accordingly to the interest of your audience. Then these are the negative dynamic ad targets. You can definitely add this is the search term. You can add what search term you want your people to have interest, or what you want your people to show your see your ad. Another is ad schedule. You can create your ad and schedule your ad accordingly. If you want to create an ad for if you want to create an ad and you want to launch it after a week, or if you want to make it active automatically after a week or within a week or any of the time or interval, you can schedule it basis base if it gives an option for the day or anything you want to use. Then is our location tab is for creating location or choosing location for your ads. You can exclude it, you can exclude the location, you can add also. Then coming to our show more option, this is the devices option where your ads are being shown, how it has been showing, which devices are mostly our ads shown to, what's the result, what is the conversion according to the devices, how your ad is performing on multiple devices. Then is for the advanced bid strategy. It's for bidding on our ad campaigns, and how much are uh, matlab, what what the conversion what the conversion is playing active, what are the conversion rates, how they are playing, what sort of conversion is happening, what is the cost. Each and everything is shown here. These are the top content. This content shows about the campaigns, the ad group, how our ad has been displayed. This for the draft. What you while creating the campaigns, when you save a draft, it's shown here. This for the experiments. All the experiments you have done, or the ad variation, or the custom experiments you want to do, you can create from it here. So testing, it's basically the part of testing your ad, that which ad is performing, which ad copy is performing, in which location specifically your ads are performing. It's basically used for that, for the A/B testing. This is the performance target. Another option is for campaign groups. You can add your campaign group here, or seeing the impression interaction or any other thing. For example, like if we add this eye here, in this way you can create your campaign group here, and you can monitor your changes accordingly, or you can have a look over your ad account. So this is the complete interface of Google Ads. In the earlier video, we have talked about the upper options, that what upper options have the sub options and what is their use. And in this video, we have covered all the options that we are getting on a left screen. So we are now completely aware about the options we are getting in the Google Ads account. In the upcoming videos, we'll be talking about creating ad campaigns, how to create campaign, what sort of things we have to look for creating ad campaign and to make it a successful ad campaign. So stay connected and let's connect in the upcoming video.